everybody. This is me, your fearless leader, here in my very comfy relaxation clothes this month. And this is our January update. I can't believe it's January 2024 already. Well, this is actually December 23rd, but we had to do the updates early because of the holidays, and I wanted to make sure that you guys saw it before you went on vacation and did all that kind of stuff. So that's why it's the 23rd. So we've got some good stuff going on in January. We have a big giant giveaway that's going to be sponsored by Sweet Pea Papers and Junk Journal Tutorials and more. And I think that's going to be very exciting. I'm going to tell you about that in just a minute. The projects that we have for this month, there's not very many, but it's really big, a really big project. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to finish Impossible Alice. We're going to start it at the end of December, and then we will finish it the first week of January. And this is my Alice in Wonderland book, and it is a regular book. It's not a lot of flips and flaps and things like that. Whoopsie, I'm dropping things out. That's what I get for opening it from backwards on the camera. So see, there's pages like that. Okay, so we're going to be doing that. Then we're going to be doing Books and Butterflies. Now, Books and Butterflies is a very large lap book with our butterflies on the cover. Okay, so now this book is going to be a 3-week tutorial. So that's going to take up the other 3 weeks after we finish Impossible Alice. So you're going to want to get ready and set some time aside for that. We're going to have 15 or 16, maybe 17, I don't remember, 1-hour videos to get this project completed. It's going to be really fun, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. And I know I had a lot of fun making it. Okay, so those are our 2 projects. Now, we're also, that I can show you. Now, we're also going to have a 5-day LineDotArrow design team project, which I can't show you anything about because, of course, since I'm doing this early, then the papers haven't come out yet. And, but that'll be a 5-day project, and so that'll finish off the month. So we're going to do Impossible Alice, Books and Butterflies, and LineDotArrow. Okay, are you ready for the contest or the giveaway? It's not a contest. It's a giveaway. Okay, so it's called the it is. It's called the Let's Make It giveaway. And what it's going to be is it's sponsored by the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group, and the Sweet Pea Papers YouTube video channel. Okay, and this is what you're going to see when I post it. So keep your eyes out for this. Okay, the Let's Make It giveaway. And the hashtag is Let's Make It. Okay, hashtag Let's Make It. So that's important that you're going to do that. Now, all the details on this giveaway are going to be posted in the group. And then even though it's not an event per se, I'm going to make an event for it because that will give me a place to post all of this stuff. Now we're going to run this the way we normally do with a LineDotArrow collaboration, even though this is just sponsored by us. So let me kind of go through it, and I'm going to hit the highlights on it. I'm not going to try to read this whole thing to you. I am going to do the prizes, because the prizes are going to be really great this time. You're going to love them. And yeah, so the Let's Make It giveaway runs from January 1st until the 15th. The drawing will be held on the 16th, and I'll publish it on YouTube on the 16th. So to find out who wins, you're going to have to watch the video. It's not going to be posted anywhere. And then, of course, the winners, once again, will have to get a hold of me, and I'll tell them how to collect their prizes. Okay, so now how do you enter the contest, the giveaway? The giveaway is you just post a picture or video of a current project that you're working on in either or both of the Sweet Pea Papers and the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook groups. That's it. That's all you got to do. Just post pictures of what you're working on, what you're currently working on, probably your winter projects, I would think, and use the hashtag Let's Make It, and that gets you an entry. Now, this time, I'm not going to put one entry, two entry, whatever, because they're all one entry. Okay? If you see a heart under next to your post by me, that means I've entered you into the drawing. It is just too much, and I have a feeling we're going to have a lot of entries because you don't have to, you can use any papers you want, any kit you want, anything that you want, as long as it's a current project that you're working on and you post pictures or a video and you use the hashtag. That's it. That's your entry. So I have a feeling we're going to have a lot of entries. And so I'm not going to go through and post, you have an entry, you have an entry, you have an entry, you have an entry. I'm not going to do that. If you see a heart on your post from me, that means I have added you to the database of entries. Okay? That's the way we're going to do it this time. Now, be sure to use the hashtag Let's Make It in your entry post. If the hashtag isn't used, the entry does not count. And I'm not going to go back this time. People can't say to me, well, this was an entry because, it was a new project that I'm working on and I posted that. I'm not going to go back. There's going to be too many entries. I'm not trying to be mean or anything. I'm just saying that it'll make me crazy. And so what you need to do is use the hashtag. Now, if you forget to use the hashtag, you can post it again with the hashtag so that it will count. I'm not going to ding you for the double post. You got it? But make sure you use it the first time, please. I don't want a bunch of people posting twice. Okay? Now, each post, not how many pictures or videos or whatever are in the post, but each post counts as an entry. So if you have more than one picture or video or whatever that you want to showcase, then make multiple entries using the hashtag, and then you'll get multiple entries into the drawing. Okay, which is the smart way to go. Be sure to post them in Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group and over at Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group, each entry, and that will get you 2 entries into the drawing just from that one pick. Okay. Now, the same picture can be posted in both groups, but only once per group. So once you enter it, you can't post it again. All right. Post before January 1st or after January 15th, obviously because I'm going to have the drawing on the 16th, but before January 1st are not going to count. I know this is coming out on December 23rd. I know you're going to want to get in on it. You're going to be excited about it, especially when you hear the prizes. But please do not start entering until January 1st because I'm not going to count them. And you're just going to be kind of wasting your time. So set the pictures aside in a folder on your computer or whatever and start uploading them on January 1st. All right. Anytime from January 1st through January 15th, and you've got an entry. Do not post them between now and then because you're not going to get an entry. All right. And The drawing is open only to the non-sponsors, obviously. So us that are sponsoring it and giving prizes, then we can't enter the drawing. Obviously, that wouldn't be fair. Okay, so the prizes. Wait till you find out the prizes. Okay, now this time we're going to have a first place prize, and then we're just going to have other prizes. They're not going to be second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place, sixth place, fifth place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 prizes. Yes, 6 prizes this time. Okay, 6. Yeah. Oh, the lists from Sweet Pea Papers and the list from Junk Journal Tutorials and more are going to be merged into one big list for the drawing. And when you hear the prizes, you'll see why there's not going to be duplicates. One for each group. That would be impossible. Okay, so the prizes. The first place prize provided by me is going to be a hot and cold embossing kit. And what that means is you're going to get a heat gun for the hot heat embossing so that you can melt your embossing powder. I tried to find some, like a silver and gold, that I could send, but I couldn't really find a kit that was just silver and gold. So I'm just going to send you the heat gun and then 3 embossing folders so that you can do your cold embossing by running it through your Big Shot or any other die cut machine that does with the pressure that will do your embossing for you. All right. So that's going to be my gift, is the hot and cold embossing kit. So that's a physical prize that's going to get mailed to you. All the rest are digital prizes. Okay? Or, dun, da, 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 money. I worked hard this time for you, and I got you some great prizes. Now, provided by LineDotArrow is 2 free junk journal kits of your choice. All you have to do is let me know, notify me, like you always do. You have to notify me by Messenger, Facebook Messenger, or the email sweetpeapapers2020@gmail.com. This information will be below the video. That you are a winner and you want to claim your prize and which prize you claim. I'm going to write that part down, but just to double check and make sure that you know what you won. Anyway, so that's the normal for that. So provided by LineDotArrow, again, is 2 free junk journal kits of your choice from her shop. Now, provided by Haystack Creations is a $20 gift certificate to their Etsy shop, which is awesome, which is just as awesome as the free junk journal kits. And provided by Two Sisters Jam, they're also going to give you a $20 gift certificate to their shop, their Etsy shop. They sell laces and doilies and little clusters of things and things like that that you can use in your projects or your clusters or your, what are those called? Yeah, those things. Snippet rolls. Thank you. Then also by Lisa's Paper Lace and Bling, she's going to provide you with a $10 gift certificate. And provided by Nonstop Papercrafts are 2 free junk journal kits of your choice. So these are wonderful gifts given by wonderful donators and sponsors. And I'd like to thank them all for everything that they're doing and for helping me out with the prizes so that I can offer you some great prizes. And yeah, so that's going to be cool. And so be sure to enter and post multiple pictures, enter multiple times, so that you can get a prize. Now, the same person can't win 2 prizes. Okay, obviously, right? You can only win 1 prize. If your name gets drawn again, then we'll just throw that one away, and then we'll, draw again for someone else to win. So make sure that a whole variety of you guys post, not just those same 10, because they always get more chances to win because they post more often. So you want to make sure that you're posting too, and you get a chance at the prizes. All right. So how to win. Each eligible post is one entry. Both lists will be combined for one big drawing. I just said that. On January 16th, 2024, a number randomizer will be used to determine the winners, like I always do, and I'll film it on my computer and publish it on Sweet Pea Paper's YouTube channel. And you must watch the drawing to win. We've talked about that, and the winners have until midnight, January 20th, to claim their prizes. So that gives you 4 days. Okay, 4 days from when I post the video, because you guys know I post them early in the morning, my time, about 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, my time, to make it for a decent time on the East Coast. And those in Europe who are 9 hours ahead of me, 8, 9 hours ahead of me. Okay, all right, so good luck with that and good fun. And I think that is all for the updates. And oh yeah, I'm sorry, we'll also be participating in any events that LineDotArrow has this month for their new release. So that's any giveaways and challenges and things like that. We'll be participating in that as well. So that's going to be the whole month. And the Let's Make It event is a 2-week event. Otherwise, I would go nuts. There's going to be so many entries. Okay? All right. So, these are the highlights for January 2024. And I will see you again for the February 2024 updates. And until then, be sure to enter. Be sure to do the challenges for the LineDotArrow promotions. And have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, or whatever holiday you celebrate this time of year. And yeah, I think that's it. And I will talk to you next time. All right. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.